Today, we're diving into something that's poised to completely rewire how we all shop online. It's a brand new open source standard called the Universal Commerce Protocol, or UCP for short. And believe me, it's all about making online shopping feel as natural as just having a chat.
I mean, just stop and think about that for a second. What if instead of clicking through endless pages, juggling a dozen tabs, and typing in your info over and over again, what if you could just talk? What if that entire process was as simple and intuitive as a conversation? Picture this. You just tell your AI assistant, hey, I need a lightweight suitcase for my trip next week. And just like that, it finds options from your favorite stores, checks that they're actually in stock, applies your loyalty discount automatically, and lets you buy it right then and there. That's the dream, right? But for a long time, there's been a massive hidden problem holding us back.
Yeah, the truth is, behind that sleek storefront, online commerce is a ridiculously tangled web. That simple conversational dream we all want, it smashes right into a super complicated technical reality where every store, every app, every platform, they all speak different languages. It's been a huge drag on innovation for years.
So the heart of the problem has this technical sounding name, the N-by-N integration bottleneck. It sounds a bit complex, I know, but the idea is actually really simple. Imagine you've got 100 different stores and 100 different shopping apps or AI assistants. For every single one to talk to every other one, you need to build and maintain 10,000 individual connections. It's just a wild, inefficient, and expensive mess that creates this massive bottleneck.
And this slide just illustrates it perfectly. On the left, you've got the old way. It's a chaotic mess, like a spaghetti monster of tangled wires. Every business has to build a custom connection to every platform, one at a time. It's a nightmare. But on the right, you see the UCP way. One single universal plug that connects everyone to everything. It's simple, it's clean, it's just elegant. And that, of course, brings us to the solution, UCP, the Universal Commerce Protocol. The best way to think about it is as the universal adapter for the entire world of online shopping. It's specifically designed to finally fix this integration nightmare once and for all. So what is it exactly? Well, UCP is an open source standard, and that's a big deal because it means it's free and available for anyone and everyone to use and build on. Its whole job is to create a common language, a Rosetta Stone that businesses, AIs, and payment systems can all speak fluently. The end goal? To make those amazing, seamless shopping journeys possible no matter where you start them. Honestly, if you take away just one thing from all this, let it be this right here. This is the perfect analogy. You remember, right? Before USB, we had a million different plugs for our keyboards, our mice, our printers. It was a total mess. Then, USB came along and standardized everything with one simple plug. UCP is trying to do the exact same thing, but for the act of buying and selling stuff online. And you should know, this isn't some small side project. UCP was developed by Google, yeah, but in collaboration with the absolute biggest names in the game. We're talking e-commerce giants like Shopify, Target, and Walmart, and payment powerhouses like Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. The entire industry is getting behind this, which is absolutely crucial if it's going to work. Okay, so we know what it is and who's behind it, but how does it actually work? How does it tame that chaos? Well, its design is built on 4 key ideas, or pillars, that really bring order to the madness. So, first, you've got unified integration. This is the one that directly attacks and collapses that N-by-N bottleneck into one single simple connection. Second, a shared language. This standardizes the whole process, from finding a product to checking out, so all the different systems can understand each other perfectly. Third, it has an extensible architecture. This is so important. It means it's future-proof. It's built to handle new kinds of shopping experiences that we haven't even dreamed up yet. And finally, a security-first approach. It uses things like tokenized payments, which is just a fancy way of saying it replaces your sensitive card details with a unique, secure code to make sure every single transaction is safe. Now, the impact of this is just massive. And it's because this isn't just a win for big tech companies. It's designed from the ground up to be a win-win for the entire ecosystem. It creates real value for everyone involved, from the smallest mom-and-pop online store to you and me. Let's break down who benefits and how.
Okay, what's so cool here is seeing how the benefits ripple out. For us, the consumers, it means we can shop our favorite brands with basically zero friction. For businesses, they can reach way more customers on all these new AI platforms with so much less effort. And this is critical. They get to stay in control of their own business. It could really level the playing field. Then you have the AI platforms themselves. For them, it's a simple, standard way to enable shopping. And for the payment providers, the open design means more choice and secure transactions for everyone. See? Everybody wins.
And all of this brings us full circle, right back to where we started, that dream of conversational shopping. Well, this new era actually has a name. It's called Agentic commerce. It's basically commerce driven by AI agents that act on our behalf. And UCP is the foundational key that's finally unlocking it for everyone.
So what does this actually look like in the real world? Let's forget all the technical stuff for a second. The checkout experience of the future, powered by UCP, is pretty much here. Let's just walk through what it feels like.
Okay, here's the journey. Step 1. Your assistant uses UCP to instantly understand everything a store has to offer. Step 2. You just pick what you want, right there in the chat window. Step 3. And this is the magic. The system sees you have a 10% off coupon and just applies it. You don't have to lift a finger. And finally, step 4. You check out with a single tap because all your info is already securely saved. It is that simple. From start to finish, completely seamless.